I'm Tina Redwine with today's quick tip. Joining us is Chef.
Nikki Cluck is from Nikki's Modern Mediterranean.
She's going to teach us how to make cinnamon bun French toast bake, which is delicious.
This is a great thing to make the night before, right before you have Easter brunch. So we're going to combine to get started. We have a half a cup of brown sugar and 1 stick of melted butter. Pour that together. And we're going to mix this and put this right at the bottom of our Pyrex pan. This is going to give it a great flavor and also won't stick to the bottom. So now we're going to layer our bread. I've sliced up some challah bread. You have that? So that goes all the way to the other end. And then you're going to shingle it by putting the other layers in between the other layers of bread. And you can use challah or brioche, whatever your favorite bread is. So now we're going to make our egg mixture. So we're going to take 12 eggs, 2 1/4 cups of milk, pour that into the eggs. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And you're going to whisk that together. And you're going to really smell the cinnamon in this because this is cinnamon French toast.
This is breakfast worth getting up for.
Yes, we're going to pour this on top of the bread. And normally you would put this in the fridge covered for at least 6 hours. If not, you can also do overnight and then bake it in the morning. Next, we're going to put a cinnamon crumble on top. So you're going to take flour, sugar, butter, and cinnamon and combine those ingredients together to make a cinnamon crumble. And you'll really have to break up the brown sugar for this. Right before you're ready to bake, you're going to put a generous amount of this cinnamon mixture all over your French toast. So we're going to bake this 350 degrees, covered with aluminum foil for about 30 minutes, and then uncover it and cook it for another 15 minutes. So we have to get our favorite icing and ice the top. And you can drizzle this nice and pretty to make this a showstopper at your next brunch.
And this tip is online. Just search for News 12 Connecticut Quick Tips Cinnamon Bun French Toast. With Chef Nikki, Tina Redwine, News 12.